araw. Balik na naman tayo sa video. Ay, tingnan mo yung ano niya. Yung diri yung ano niya. Saan na yan? Saan na yan? Eto. Tingnan mo. Diri yung ano niya. Yung nasa 98 in the forest. And guys. At ngayon, let's go na. Si Aaron Tick yung lalaroin natin ngayon. Let's go. May set nga tayo dito. Kinuha ko to. Yung naglaro ako na. Nag-start na nga tayo. May oras pa ako dito, guys. Laro. Oh my God. Oy! May mga tutorial na tayo dito. Mag-shortcut tayo dito. Diba, basic? Para manalo.
Oh, and the deer is chasing us. Oh no, let's just go back to the base.
Oh my God.
Chasing us, deer.
I am so proud to that. I am... Ay! Oh my God. Okay lang tayo mahulog. Kaysa naman na... Ikaw. Nakainis kong lalaki kong ano yung 1918 na police kong ano. Naglalag ako masyado, guys. So... Ay, naglalag ako malamang. Malamang ka dyan. Napapaunahin muna sila, pero naglalag ako. Okay lang tayo wag na tayo ay! Lilipat ang langit. Kasi yung ano lang yung boses ko, guys. Tawag ko mo. Joke, maganda. Saranggola yung lilipad nga eh. Maganda din. Oh, tingnan niya. Akan pa yung saranggola ha. Saranggola lilipad sa kel ng kanyang yuta. Ang mga tao sa ating nakaraan. Di tayo ay panang anyo. Lipad, pagpapalit ang kakaibigan. O diba, ang ganda. Ang ganda yung boses ko. Paano maglaro yung mga babae? Ganito. Lagi na hulog. Paano maglaro yung lalaki? Ganito. Hindi sila nahulog.
Or else you're gonna get kidnapped again, okay? And this time by me. Oh, the cultists are coming, and we do not have a shelter. Okay, let's just try to get them super quickly. Come on, let's get him with the spear.
Oh my God, hulog na naman. Hulog na naman tayo.
You're getting a chocolate later on.
Oh my God.
And we got all of the cultists. Yep, this is why spear is super OP. And now we have a lot of materials, so we can
invisible yung pet. May mga tutorial dito siguro.
Okay, and we have the alpha wolf belt. Let's see what can we get from you, buddy. Oh, we can get the giant sack. Nice, we already got the giant sack and 10. I wasn't supposed to speed around our doing it. Now we have 25 slots in our sack. Oh yeah, we can take literally everything. Yeah, let's take this shit metal, oh, and the furniture trade is here. Let's see what you got. Bench, lavender, okay, deer trophy, 2 hedgerows. Thank you very much, Frederick. See you next time. Ooh, let's also take these wolves, and we are not going to use them as the fuel. They're going to be animals in the mansion. Yes, we're going to have pets. Okay, we got 2 chests here, so let's open them up. Yo, what is wrong with this wolf? Now we got the revolver, and we got the rifle. Yo, and what's happening with this wolf? Sorry, buddy, what are you doing? Do you need some help? Yeah, there you go. Look at this guy. Are you seeing this, Mr. Owl? Look. This guy is kind of stuck.
Oh my God, naglalag.
Oh, we got the golden chest here as well. Let's open it up.
Parang
Oh no, the owl just landed inside.
Ito na naman yung
no,
ice,
there's
guys.
so many
Mahirap
cultists here.
yung ice kasi nadudulas siya.
No,
Mahulog ka dyan.
get away from us. Okay, bye-bye, I'm out. Yeah,
Shadow.
just stay inside of there, buddy. Oh, we got the strong flashlight.
Ay!
Let's get these chairs, as each chair gives you 5 wood. And we got a lot of materials now and a lot of fuel items, so let's put them into the fire. And we almost made it to level 6. Awesome. And we're super hungry, so because of that, let's get the farm plots.
Oh my god.
Let's just scan for a workshop. Scan successful, we can see just over there. Awesome. Let's also get the crop pot, and we can get the wood bed as well.
Oh my god.
And now we can also get 2 wood rain storages, and
Layo
they're needed
na
because
ako.
we're gonna be making AFK base. Okay, buddy, get inside.
Pag malakas ang buto, tuloy ang galaw. Mag-calculate araw-araw.
My god, mahirap. Oh my god, proud ako sa hirap na yun. Pero hindi naman ako nakapag.
There we go, and let's just
Oh my
put
God.
another wood rain storage like
Nakakainis.
this. So now this probably safe.
Oh my
I don't know if
God.
it works. We're gonna have to find
Oh
out
my
if the cultists actually attack.
Oh my
And next on
God.
our list is to go
Nakakainis
ahead and
naman
get the
nun.
hammer because it's super
Nakakainis.
important. And more on that
Yun.
later. And let's just open the gate with the
Nakakainis.
axe. And there's gonna be 3
Nakakainis.
cultists
Ano yun?
inside. So we need to get all of them. But we need to be
Nakakainis
super
yun
careful as we're low on HP.
Oh my god,
5
nakakainis.
hours later, here we are.
Nakakainis. Hindi talaga nakakainis.
Oh, okay, no, we are literally 1 HP. Please relax. Oh, they're going up. Okay.
Yan.
More shots.
Mas
They're
napuloy
climbing
ka
like
pa.
monkeys. Okay, we got all of the cultists, and now we just need
May
to
kuha
find the
kanta.
parts. Another one is on top here,
Kumakanta
and the third
dito.
one should be just
Sino yun?
over here. Yes, and we also got the mythic chest. Let's hope for a chainsaw.
Actually,
Super
oh my god. Ano na lang tayo laro na lang.
Gali ka kanta-kanta ng golay lilipad. Gali ka kanta-kanta ng golay lilipad. One, two, three. Ate gali ka kanta-kanta.
Golay lilipad sa kanila.
Okay, we got it. And we don't really want to speak.
Alam na nga ba
Bakit hindi yung bibig mo?
paraan?
Yeah, we have 5
Saan tayo? Iba ng amihan. Di pagpapalitang.
There you go. We got the hammer finally, and you're gonna see why it's important in just a second. And with the hammer, we can actually pick up different stuff. around the
Gali,
map.
ikaw
As
yung
you can see, we
gaganda.
can get this wolf head. We can also get the table
Gali,
and
Ikaw yung kakanta, Ate Gali, ikaw yung
the
gaganda.
chest. And you need to go back home as the cultists are coming.
Ate Gali, ikaw yung
alam
gaganda.
na ba
Oh, we got the old barrel inside of here as well. As you can pick up this nice stand.
Mamaya.
We got the carpet as well. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yes, let's pick it up. We need to defend our old guys. Alright, we made it back home. And now we need to fight off the cultists. We have the cultists with the crossbow. Oh no, let's hit him with the rifle and just finish him off with the ray gun. And what is happening, bro? Are you safe inside? He is chilling.
One, two, three.
What's happening?
Saan ang golay
Okay,
lilipad
we just run back and just shoot them with the ray gun as we haven't limited the bullets. Yeah, we can also finish them off.
sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit
Saman tayo, iba.
And yeah,
Amihan.
it's just easy
Ang
as
galing
that. Let's put
sa'yo.
everything in.
ngayon,
Oh my gosh,
guys.
look at how many fuel items do we got.
Okay na. Bye. 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 Mag-subscribe na. And comment. Share. Bye.